Okay, this is, I'm throwing myself on a court's mercy. My friend in Cape Town, not even for me, my friend in Cape Town, my best friend in all earth, him and I have done things together, unspeakable things together. My mom, if she were alive, she would disapprove. She'd go, Roderick, stop being a retard. Anyway, listen, this guy, my friend, he's looking for 2 tickets upon the game on Saturday for the All Blacks in Cape Town. Yes, there's no tickets available. Yes, he shouldn't have. Yeah, I'm sweating. I just had a coffee here. Yes, he should have bought tickets long ago, but he didn't know he wanted to go, or something along those lines. So, anybody who's got plans to not go to the rugby on Saturday, I've got a friend who'll take twice. Somebody's going to get kidney stones on Saturday and can't go. Somebody's mother is going to wet the bed and need assistance out of a wheelchair. Somebody's child is going to be locked up in Paulsmoor for the weekend for tuning a traffic cop. He's too stupid to be a policeman. Right. So, guys, please spread the word. This must go out like one of those 1980s pyramid schemes. I'm looking for 2 tickets. I don't care where they are. They can be in the toilet, behind the closed door, or they can be in a car park, inside a bus with tinted windows. We just need 2 tickets. Somebody's in a cancel, can't go. Somebody's got athlete's foot, and the sores are now becoming infected, and the foot has gone blue. That guy can't use his tickets, please. Upon my person, spread the word like a wildfire, and let's see if we can get this thing done. There's nothing in it for you other than my gratefulness from my heart, which has probably got a lot of cholesterol, but that's why I'm on tablets. Please, guys, spread the word. I'm looking for 2 tickets for the rugby. You can't buy them, so I'm looking for somebody to, really come to the party. I've got my feelers out and everything, but no luck just yet. So let me know. You can WhatsApp me. You can phone me. You can phone a museum. Just leave me a message. Send me a Blackswitch pigeon with a message on its toe, a smoke signal if you must. But let's get this thing done, please, guys. Let's with the people. Yeah.